The Huawei P30 is the younger sibling to the P30 Pro and could be one of the best options to go for in 2020. So let's dive right into the build quality. Glass on front, glass on back, a metal frame. P30 has all of those things, and the way the front and back glass sheets curve into the frame at the same angle in a very symmetrical fashion is quite a sight to behold. Camera on top left side, and it is a really good module. On the button we have the single loudspeaker with USB Type-C and a headphone jack, which the Pro variant lacks, and it is really surprising that why is it even here. And it doesn't have any fancy LDAC or aptX support, but it's workable. And I mean, you have a headphone jack, what else do you need? It is a really good feature to have in 2020 at least. On the left side we've got a SIM tray, and on the right side of the things we have the power key and the volume rockers, which is again really good with the metal frame, and they're all made of metal. On front it has a beautiful Full HD Plus display, which is a 6.1 inches OLED panel, and to be honest, Full HD Plus is more than enough considering the fact that Samsung phones come out of 1080p out of the box. On front it has a notch, and come on, who gets bothered by them anyways? There is still an option to hide it, and because it is an AMOLED panel, the pixels are forced to close and shut down, and you won't be able to tell them apart. Following the premium trend, there is an under-display fingerprint scanner beneath the glass, which is faster than S10's ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and works 8/10 out of the time. Now let's talk about the user interface. Out of the box on default, it comes with EMUI 9 with Android 9, and currently it's upgradable to Android 10. Yes, it has Google Apps and services, and according to Huawei, it will continue having security patches, and I'm not right sure if it will get any further support from major updates, but it is confirmed that it will get 2 years of security patches, which is fine for the most part, and it has Google Apps. Cameras are where this phone shines. It rocks a 40 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel telephoto shooter with 3x optical and 10x hybrid zoom, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide shooter, and all cameras can shoot up to 4K up to 30 FPS with EIS combined stabilization. The low light photos are pretty good and miles ahead than other flagships, and telephoto sensor and main sensor is pretty sharp. The front 32 megapixel is the sharpest one yet and makes our faces a little bit brighter. Performance wise, it has the Kirin 980 SoC, which is not only fast but has really good AI. And for the price it is being offered here, its Antutu and Geekbench scores are just really good. Now let's talk a little bit about battery. With 3650 mAh of battery, you don't have to worry much about. And it is also paired with a Huawei Supercharge of 22.5 watt, and it is really fast. Finally, here are some of the bummers. It doesn't have any support for wireless charging like its elder brother P30 Pro, but Huawei is offering free case with wireless charging support with every purchase of the brand new P30. So that was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, and make sure to subscribe for more quality content like this. This is Arez, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.